should refrain from actually responding to questions which are beyond the purview of my departments. But having said that, I'm also a leader in the state of Meghalaya. We will deal stringently and strictly with any such activity in the state of Meghalaya. We will disallow it. We will go all out, and I congratulate the police force for having done the correct thing. And this arrest sends a big message to others. We will say no to insurgency. Like we have said in the past, no to insurgency. I will not connect it just like that. Unemployment is a phenomenon which challenges any nation. You may be a developed nation, you may be an underdeveloped nation, you may be a first world country, a last world country. But fact of the matter remains that you will always have this new generation of people coming into the job circle. Just because there are no jobs, there is no business for you to carry the arms. The government, to my knowledge, and hearing our Honourable Chief Minister's comments, we are going to be dealing strictly with this, and we will ensure at any cost that any such activity under any guise, because you can call these agencies all kinds of things. You cannot only assign it to unemployment. It is also other factors that are at play. So I would not assign unemployment as a main factor, but I would say that a nation that rises to its challenges, a state that recognizes its challenges, will have to step up, and our government is doing just that. MDA 2.0 is doing exactly this, creation of job opportunities. Going back to agriculture, seeing where we can initiate job engagements, employment opportunities for our citizens. We are looking at all this impetus on tourism. What is this for? Why is the Honourable Chief Minister and all the cabinet members engaging in all of these activities? Because we want to ensure that to the furthest extent possible, through whichever medium, whether it's IT, tourism, any other department which has the capacity to generate these kinds of employments like agriculture, anyone, we have to ensure that we try our best to provide for these jobs, and people of the state should not feel disappointed.